Hello, welcome to new lecture of Math with Master. Today we are going to learn trigonometry and we have successfully completed 4 lectures, and today we are discussing the lecture 5. So let's move on. In the last lecture we have discussed that sine 90 degrees minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 degrees minus theta is sin theta, tan 90 degrees minus theta is cot theta, cot 90 degree minus theta is tan theta, sec 90 degree minus theta is cosec theta, cosec 90 degree minus theta is sec theta. So we will do some questions now. What is sine 54 degrees minus cos 36 degrees? So we will sine 54 degrees minus cos 36 degrees. We will keep sine 54 degrees as it is and we will convert cos into sine. Now we can write 36 degrees as 90 degrees minus 54 degrees. And now what is cos 90 degrees minus theta? It is sin theta. It is sin, here it is sin 54 degrees. This and this will get cancelled and the answer will come 0. The answer will come 0. Okay. So let's move towards the next question. This is the next question. Tan 63 degrees is multiplied with tan 27 degrees. Now we should evaluate this. So we will keep tan 63 degrees as it is. Now we will change tan 27 degrees into cot. Now we can write 27 degrees as 90 degrees minus 63 degrees. So now here tan 63 degrees multiplied with cot 63 degrees. Tan 90 degrees minus theta is cot theta. So now we can write our cot theta as 1 upon tan theta. 1 upon tan 63 degrees. Here tan 63 degrees and tan 63 degrees will be cancelled and answer will come 1. Okay. So we should evaluate this. Tan 10 degrees, tan 20 degrees, tan 40 degrees, tan 50 degrees, tan 70 degrees, tan 80 degrees. We should multiply these all. So we will keep starting 3 terms as it is, as they were before. Now we will change tan 50. We can write tan 50, tan 90 degrees minus 40 degrees. Okay. We can write tan 70 degrees 90 degrees minus 20 degrees. We can write tan 80 degrees as 90 degrees minus 10 degrees. So now tan 10 degrees, tan 20 degrees, tan 40 degrees. Now we should replace this with cot 40 degrees, cot 20 degrees and cot 10 degrees, because tan 90 degrees minus theta is cot theta. So we will keep the 3 starting terms as it is. Now for cot 40 degree we will make it 1 upon tan 40 degree and cot 20 degree 1 upon tan 20 degree and cot 10 degree 1 upon tan 10 degree. Now we will cut these values and the answer will come 1. So now the main part today is trigonometric identities. Always Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Tan square theta plus 1 is sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. Now how these formulas, from where these formulas have come? These all formulas have come from Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So now how we have derived sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Now our Pythagoras theorem is perpendicular square plus base square is equals to hypotenuse square. Okay, so if we move hypotenuse here, then perpendicular square plus base square upon hypotenuse square is equals to 1. Now we will split these terms. Perpendicular square upon hypotenuse square plus base square plus hypotenuse square is equals to 1. Now we will make square common. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse whole square plus base upon hypotenuse whole square is equals to 1. Now what is perpendicular upon hypotenuse? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sin theta and it has square, so this will be also square, plus what is base upon hypotenuse? It is cos theta and it is whole squared, so cos square theta is equals to 1. So this is how we derived this formula. And now we will derive the next formula. Tan square theta plus 1 is equals to sec square theta. Okay, so how we have derived this formula? From the Pythagoras theorem. Perpendicular square plus base square is equals to hypotenuse square. Now we will divide base square in right hand side and left hand side. So the equation will become perpendicular square plus base square upon base square is equals to hypotenuse square upon base square. So now we will split these terms. Perpendicular square upon base square plus base square upon base square is equals to hypotenuse square upon base square. Base square will be cancelled and the answer will come here 1. And now we will make p by b, perpendicular upon base whole square plus 1 is equals to h by b, hypotenuse by base whole square. Now what is perpendicular by base? Perpendicular by base is tan theta. Okay, and it has holes, this has whole square, so tan square theta plus 1 is equals to what is h by b? H by b, hypotenuse by base, is sec theta and it has square, so whole square. Tan square theta plus sec square theta, tan square theta plus 1 is equals to sec square theta. So this is how we found this formula. So now we will derive our last and final formula, which is 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. So now write our Pythagoras theorem, which is perpendicular square plus base square is equals to hypotenuse square. Now divide the both sides with perpendicular. Okay, so it will come perpendicular square plus base square upon perpendicular square is equals to hypotenuse square upon perpendicular square. Now split the terms in the left hand side. Perpendicular square upon perpendicular square plus base square upon perpendicular square is equals to hypotenuse square upon perpendicular square. Here perpendicular square will be cancelled and it will become 1. 1 plus, we will make square common. B by P whole square is equals to H by P whole square. 1 plus base upon perpendicular whole square is equals to hypotenuse by perpendicular whole square. Now 1 plus, what is base upon perpendicular? It is cot theta, and it has square, so this will also become square. This is equals to H hypotenuse upon perpendicular whole square, means cos x square theta. This is how we found this formulae, and this don't need any conditions. No conditions needed for this. In all angles, this is possible, means this is there, not possible, this is confirmed there. First we have found sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Tan square theta plus 1 is equals to sec square theta plus and third we have derived the formula is 1 plus cot square theta, which is cos x square theta. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Hope you liked this video and share it to your friends. Stay tuned for the new lecture of trigonometry.